Hello guys, it's TechBuzz and I have got some good news for you. Avira is giving away its premium products for free for 3 months. So head over to the description and click on the link given there. It will take you to an Italian website because this offer started in Italy, but you can also claim this offer without using any VPN. Just go ahead and click on translate and this website will be in English. Even if it isn't, you can just follow these steps and do what I am doing. You need to enter your email address here, and don't worry, this is 100% legitimate and you can use your real email address. After that, click on send me Prime and it will send you an email on the same email address that you have provided. Head over to Gmail and refresh to find the email that you got. The email will also be in Italian, but you can pretty much figure out what you have to do. Just click on this Execta e-installer button under Windows section and it will take you to My Avira account. Click on this button and then click on Forgot Password here. Now give them the same email and proceed. Now go back to Gmail and you should have a password reset email sent to you. Click on Reset Password and then set your account password. Now go back to My Avira account page and log in with your credentials. Everything is in Italian, but you can change it to English from here. Now go to products, and now all these products like antivirus, mobile security, software updater, system speedup will be available for download and you can use them for 3 months starting today. But we are here for their Phantom VPN. Click on install and it should start downloading. You can try other products as well. Avira Antivirus is a good choice if you wanna try other things from this bundle, but as far the other softwares are concerned, you can try if you are interested. It will take a while to install depending on your system and internet speed. Once done, you can see the VPN control panel at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you have to do the initial setup and choose theme. Here you can see that it shows unlimited traffic and the Pro badge is also there. You can click on My Account to check the details and install it on other devices. You can use it on your mobile as well, and up to 3 devices are supported for a single account. You can also go to the system tray and open the Avira Prime app to download other softwares included in this bundle. As you can see that I can connect to VPN and it has no limit on traffic. You can also change countries and it is really good VPN considering getting it for free for 3 months. That's it for now. Enjoy this free bundle and share this video to others so that they can enjoy this too. Like, share and subscribe for more updates from our channel.